Stop right there, Megatron.
Hey guys, I'm here now.
He's here as well.
Take this, you Dorito.
What? Stop it with the Dorito pot.
Never retrieve.
I'm just trying to get the Rubik Cube off of this. Oh, that really hurts.
Megatron.
What the hell was that crap?
Wow, that was a close one. I also don't know why Megatron's getting the Rubik. Like this. Oh. Scout from Team Fortress 2, you better
this
get
is
out of here.
Prime, this does not involve you.
No.
Hey Megatron, why would you want to attack me? I hope you got the punch line. Hey Megatron, it's really sliced to meet you.
Prime, stop making puns.
I will never stop making puns.
Give me a scout from Team Fortress 2.
Aw, crap.
Get over here, boy.
No Starscream.
Watch out.
I need the
Take that, Megatron. Ow.
Just gonna
Get out of here.
dodge.
And Dorito,
Ow.
come here.
Ow. Ow.
Megatron, I said get out of here. Manhandle you.
Oh. Oh, stupid dust.
Prime, I need Team Fortress 2 scouts to get the Rubik's Cube. I need it.
Stop it.
Come here. Yeah, get him, whatever your name is. Yeah. Let me use my buzzsaw that I never used in the first film, but I do have it now, apparently.
Focus is
It's okay, I'm still. Yeah, how'd that feel, Optimus? Get the fuck out of here. Prime. Dirt.
Seriously, Prime, we should just stop fighting. Just give me a scout from Team Fortress 2, and he'll give me the Rubik's Cube, and then we'll stop.
Nah, Megatron. I'd win.
Bro is not Gojo. It appears you have your sword through me. Ow.
Slice off your helicopter arm thingy.
Come here.
Come here, Dorito. Didn't you die in the other room or something? I don't know.
Optimus, are we... Prime, we barely know it.
Get out of here, Dorito. And you'll never have the Rubik's Cube. I don't even know why you want it. This stupid object anyway. I can't even figure it out.
Prime,
And Starscream will never Starscream it again. And you, Black Order, Grindor, you need to go to the dentist. You have a cavity. Should have flossed.